As a property manager, building manager, or business owner, you depend on the roof of your business, apartment complex, church, or other building for a lot of things. When your roof becomes damaged, there is a pressing need to have it repaired quickly and efficiently. As you may know, emergency commercial roofing repair in Greenville, like apartment complex roof shingles or church roof shingles, can be very expensive. Routine maintenance on your roof is the best way to ensure its longevity. We recommend several precautionary measures to take to ensure your roof stands the test of time. If an internal maintenance team is present, they should regularly check the roof for any signs of damage. When holes or missing shingles are present, this can make way for larger issues from the elements, expanding the damage. As a part of our initial process, our project manager will carefully measure your roof, photograph any areas of damage or potential trouble, and perhaps extract part of its core for testing. For us to provide you with the best commercial roof possible, we want to know as much as we can about your existing roof. This will help us design new roofing solutions to guard against the problems you're suffering now, like constant debris on one side due to location, water pooling, clogged drainage, and other issues. For more information on our commercial roofing systems for your commercial property in Greenville, South Carolina, or the surrounding area, contact an experienced commercial roofer by calling 864-990-4836 today.